We are now going to talk about what an inequality is. You have seen this before in other classes, but now we're going to graph it on a number line. So let's go through the different types of inequalities we have. The first one you recognize because that is less than or greater than, And so that's the less than symbol, the greater than symbol. But now we're going to look at how we graph them on a number line. So we have x is less than 5 and x is greater than 5. So the first thing you need to know about the less than or greater than is that it is going to be an open circle since it is not equal. So this is an open circle here, because it does not have the line underneath, which means it's equal to also. And then you put the circle at where it's located. So it's located at 5. So we put our circle right at 5. You can see it right there. And then this only works if the variable's on the left side. So you see how the variable's on the left side here? So since the variable's on the left side, its x is less than 5. So then it's going to actually show you that it's going to go to the left. It's like an arrow pointing to the left. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so like I said, it only works if your variable's on the left. Then this arrow, this inequality is like an arrow where it's going to show you where it's pointing. So you can see that it is pointing to the left, and so then that means you fill into the left, and it only works when the variable is on the left. And then this one, x, and then your arrow is pointing this way, is greater than 5, so it's going to go to the right, and it only works when the variable is on those sides. So now let's look at less than and equal to or greater than and equal to. With less than and equal to and greater than or equal to, it is the same thing as saying if you have an equal sign with it. So let me show you what I mean by that. So the less than or equal to is basically you take a less than sign and equal to sign and then you combine it so that they are together. So that means it's less than and equal to or greater than and equal to. So you take your 2 and you combine it to be this one. And so now we're going to graph it. So we'll see how it graphs. So because it has the line underneath, which means equal to, it's going to be a closed circle. So right here, again, the x is going to show you if the x is on the left, the inequality points to which way it goes. So this one goes this way because it's going to the left. It's pointing towards the inequality. This one goes this way because the arrow goes to the right. And it only works when the variable's on the left. And that's how you graph an inequality. And so now you'll graph a few of them.